Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap East Riverside local and long-distance movers near me. In East Riverside, our long-distance moving services are tailored to offer maximum efficiency and convenience. We specialize in transporting sensitive and delicate items, providing climate-controlled transportation when needed. Our detailed planning and execution ensure a smooth and successful move, catered to your specific requirements. East Riverside's lush landscapes are complemented by our comprehensive moving services. We offer specialized packing for delicate items, efficient residential moving, office relocation services, custom solutions for unique challenges, and careful handling of valuables. Our services in East Riverside ensure your move is as serene as the town's landscapes. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our East Riverside moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.